Hello, dear students. In today's topic, we will discuss some other prominent rules of changing voice. Okay, the first one that I am talking about today is change of voice in the infinitive. Okay, students, let me zoom it so that you can have a better view. While changing perfect infinitive into passive voice, put to be plus third form of verb that is called the past participle form. Okay, simple सा है. When you have to change voice of infinitive of especially the present in infinitive, okay, you have to follow this maxim. Means ये जो सूत्र ये लेना पड़ेगा क्या, to be plus third form of verb. Second rule is while changing the voice of infinitive, the main verb is not to be changed in all cases. Okay, when it is of bare infinitive, so it would not be changed. Use the following structure while changing the sentence beginning with it is time to plus other things in passive voice. So when you find a sentence like this, it is time. Okay, it is time to take tea. Okay, for example, I write it is time to take टी, चाय पीने का टाइम है. सो आर फॉर्मूला टू ट्रांसफॉर्म इट इनटू passive voice will be it is time, then we have to write for, thereafter the object, and then to be plus third form. For example, it is time. Okay, this will remain the same. Okay, now for tea to be taken. Okay, clear? Let us write some more examples of the same. Okay, for example, देखते हैं. You will have to do it. So this sentence is in active voice. Okay, so how to change its passive? Let us see. It. Okay, this is our helping verb. Will have to be done by you. ओके, क्लियर? और देखते हैं अभी. वी विश यू टू फॉरगेट दिस एपिसोड. Okay, so what will be the passive voice of this sentence? uh, we wish, this is our object, write it here, this episode to be forgotten by you. Okay, clear? It is time to stop work. Okay, stop the work, sorry, stop the work. So what would be the passive voice? The work. Okay, no, it begins with it is time, so it is the same. We will write it in this way. It is time. Okay, किसके लिए? For the work to be stopped. Okay, clear? Okay, और last not the least, it is time uh, it is time to do the work. Okay, so it is time for the work to be done. Okay, let let us move to the next use or next way to change voice. वो है intransitive verb, means how to change the voice of intransitive verbs. You know, I told you only transitive verbs can be changed into passive voice, but here we would talk about something different. Okay, clear? These intransitive verbs are special, okay, and they will carry with them cognate object. Okay, clear? I'll tell you what cognate object is. Okay, so when we will change it, so when there are cognate object with intransitive verb, the synonym of cognate is accusative, means object that carries an uh, adverbially that is followed, okay, by an object is called intransitive cognate object. Okay, means the object that is followed by an adverbial, तो हम बोलते हैं cognate. Okay, तो अगर cognate object हो transitive verbs में तो it will be changed into passive voice. And the second condition will be uh, when there are preposition, okay, which can be transformed, और जिनको ट्रांसफॉर्म किया जा सकता है ऐसी prepositions खाता हूँ. And the third one will be when in the transformation of a sentence we do not remove prepositions or adverbial participles. Clear? They are added to the verbs. A picture is better than that of words. So similarly, I'm going to give you examples to make everything clear. Okay, I'm writing here the sentence, she sang a song. Okay, it is in active voice. What will be its passive? Passive voice will be a song was sung by her. Okay, clear? Next, she looked at me. Okay, तो क्या हो जाएगा? I was looked, preposition को नहीं हटाएंगे, यहाँ पे एट लगी रहेगी. I was looked at by her. ओके, ये गलती मत करना कभी, ये है. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु looks after you. Okay, so when who is given, sentence or passive voice will begin by whom, by whom, by whom. Okay, are you लुक्ड आफ्टर, आफ्टर को ओमिट नहीं करना है यहाँ पे, ओके, क्लियर क्लियर. If we talk about some other things, for example, he listened to me. Okay, so what will be the answer? I was listened to by, or he will be transformed into him. Clear? Let's move to next point. Next point is there are some conditions where by, preposition by is not used and it is quite important. जहाँ बाय का यूज़ नहीं करना है, ओके, क्लियर. सो ओके, और वो कहाँ क्या है, कौन कौन सी एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, when we are not when we know the subject already, okay, we don't use by. सब्जेक्ट पता हो तो हम करते नहीं उसका, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो, यहाँ देखो, देर आर सम वर्ब्स विद विच वी डोंट यूज बाय. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी नोज यू वेल, आपको अच्छे से जानती है, तो पैसिव वॉइस क्या हो जाएगी? यू आर वेल नोन टू हर. यहाँ पे बाय नहीं टू आएगा क्योंकि नो इज फॉलोड बाय टू. और देखो और देखो और देखते हैं. दिस बोतल कंटेन्स इंक, ओके, तो यह वर्ब इज कंटेन. देखते हैं, तो इंक इज कंटेन्ड in this bottle means you need to learn the contain is followed by in, not by. Okay, so here you need to learn the phrasal verbs. Okay, कि किसके साथ क्या कौन सी preposition आएगी, and with that you need to learn their meaning. Okay, और देखते हैं. when agent is not clear, जो क्लियर नहीं है कि भाई कौन है, और when it started with somebody nobody, इस तरह की चीज़ें दिखती हैं तो we don't use by. For example, nobody acts upon my advice, मेरी सलाह कोई नहीं मानता. तो nobody is नॉट क्लियर कि कौन है वो लोग, तो वी डोंट यूज़, बिकॉज यहाँ एजेंट इज अनक्लियर, तो वी डोंट यूज़ बाय. ओके, सो द राइट आंसर वुड बी माई एडवाइस इज नॉट एक्टेड अपॉन. ये तो था एक्टिव वॉइस सेंटेंस. ओके, पैसिव वॉइस क्या होगा? माई एडवाइस इज नॉट, ओके, my advice is not, क्या बोलते हैं, acted upon. यहाँ पे नोट कहाँ से आया? बिकॉज इट बिगिंस विद nobody, तो इट वॉज ऑलरेडी इन, इट इज़ ऑलरेडी इन नेगेटिव सेंस, तो वी हैव टू गिव हियर द नेगेटिव सेंस. ओके, बट वी डोंट यूज बाय बिकॉज nobody इज अनक्लियर. ओके, क्लियर. और देखते हैं. somebody has picked my pocket, किसी ने मेरी जेब काट ली, तो क्या हो जाएगा? somebody पता नहीं कौन है. if you know, you will use by, but when we don't know the agent we don't use by. तो क्या हो जाएगा? my pocket, और यहाँ पे हैज़ है तो क्या हो जाएगा? हैज़ been picked We don't use right here by somebody. Clear? Let me tell you something more about by. Okay, okay. When the use of the agent by is superfluous. Okay, so what are the conditions? Conditions are, sometimes the need for the use of by, okay, and the agent, okay, does not arise, मतलब कभी इनकी जरूरत महसूस नहीं होती कई बार, ओके, बट लेकिन इज अंडरस्टूड, उसको समझ लेते हैं कि भाई यहाँ करने वाला वही है, तो वी डोंट यूज बाय. ओके, क्लियर? इज considered understood. Okay, so the use of by is considered as superfluous. Okay, when the special interest of the speaker is not in the active voice, active subject, okay, बट इन प्रेडिकेट, मतलब जब बोलने वाला का जो स्पीकर का जो है ना वो सब्जेक्ट में ना होकर प्रेडिकेट की तरफ उसका इंटरेस्ट हो, ओके, एक्टिविटी के साथ हो, ओके, तब हम वी डोंट यूज सच थिंग्स. फॉर एग्जांपल कह रहा है कि पीपल स्पीक फ्रेंच in many parts of the world. Okay, so here people is superfluous. Okay, we can't even identify them. They are they are so many people. So here agent is quite clear, but but the need of this agent is not arisen. Okay, so what will the passive voice of this sentence? This sentence will be transformed into passive voice like this, uh, that French is spoken, French is spoken, okay, in many parts of the world, many part of the world. Okay, we don't use here by. Clear beta? Okay, so here you may find, देखो key point क्या है, when you find any sentence begin with people, when they stand for people, okay, when we stand for people, okay, clear? Clear? We don't use by plus agent. Okay, जैसे for example, okay, and when you know something is done by them, जैसे for example पुलिस का एग्जांपल लेते हैं. देखो जैसे the police arrested him. अब जाहिर सी बात है, टू अरेस्ट समवन इज अ वर्क और इज अ जॉब ऑफ पुलिस, तो यहाँ पे पुलिस सुपरफ्लुअस है अपने आप में, तो क्या हो जाएगा, ही वॉज अरेस्टेड. वी डोंट नीड टू राइट बाय द पुलिस. ओके, क्लियर? ओके, और देखो, वन मस्ट डू one's ड्यूटी. अब here वन स्टैंड फॉर ऑल ह्यूमन बीइंग, और सबके लिए आता है तो जनरल टर्म में आ गया, तो वी डोंट यूज विद बाय, तो क्या जाएगा, ड्यूटी मस्ट बी डन. ओके, ड्यूटी मस्ट बी डन. We don't use by one and all that. Okay, clear? Or let's take another example. We celebrate Diwali. Okay, तो we stand for people, क्या आएगा, Diwali is celebrated. Okay, clear? Okay, the next and last rule for today, आज के लास्ट है, it is the condition when to is to be added in पैसिव वॉइस. जब टू को यूज़ करना होता है हमें पैसिव वॉइस में, सो वर्ब्स, देर आर सम सर्टेन वर्ब्स. कौन कौन सी वर्ब्स हैं, सी, हियर, वॉच, बिड. ओके, क्लियर? मेक, फील, एटसेट्रा. ओके, do not take to after them, when in active voice. एक्टिव वॉइस में इनके साथ कोई टू वगैरह नहीं आता है, ठीक है, बट when the sentences are changed into passive voice, into passive, okay, to is required. For example, I made him go, मैंने उसको जाने दिया, तो इट इज़ इन एक्टिव वॉइस, तो क्या जाएगा, he was made to go. ये ध्यान रखना, to go, he was made to go. ओके, क्लियर? नेक्स्ट देखो, they heard the child cry. उन्होंने बच्चे को they heard the child cry, रोते हुए सुना, तो क्या हो जाएगा, the child was heard to cry. Okay, so students, keep practicing, try to learn more and more. Okay, and we shall study some more examples and rules in our next video. Till then, keep watching, okay, and learning. Stay at home, okay, be safe and healthy. Thank you very much for watching this video.